Hi, I'm Mariah Rufer, the Lakes Program Coordinator at R&B Environmental Laboratories. Now we're ready to collect your Secchi disc reading, the last step in your sampling procedure. We recommend you first watch the trip preparation, observation, and integrated sampler videos. The Secchi disc is a metal disc that's 8 inches in diameter with a cord attached to the center. Some Secchi discs are all white and some are black and white. The cord has a black mark every foot and a red mark every 6 inches. The Secchi disc measures water transparency. How clear a lake is affects the amount of light that penetrates into the lake. The deeper your Secchi disc falls below the surface before going out of view will give you a higher Secchi disc reading, which means better water clarity. If your Secchi disc disappears within a few feet, you will get a lower Secchi disc reading, which means poorer water clarity. Lower clarity can be caused by algae or sediment from erosion in the water. Your lake can vary in water transparency seasonally and even daily, so it is important to take a number of Secchi disc readings per summer. It's ideal to collect weekly Secchi disc readings throughout the summer. A recommended minimum would be twice a month from June through September. But Secchi disc readings can be done anytime. Any additional readings beyond the ones done with your water sample should be recorded on the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency data sheet and sent to them. If possible, additional Secchi disc readings should be done weekly or twice per month. If Secchi depth is measured in a lake for numerous consecutive years, the data can be analyzed for water clarity trends. If a trend indicates increasing Secchi depth over time, your lake's water clarity is improving. But if a significant trend indicates decreasing Secchi depth over time, your lake's water clarity is declining. To take your Secchi disc reading, you should already be anchored at your established monitoring site. This should be the last test you do after your observation data has been filled out and the water samples have been collected. The ideal time to do your water sampling and Secchi disc reading is between 10 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. Take your sunglasses off since this can affect how well you see the Secchi disc. If you wear darkening prescription glasses, wear a wide-brimmed hat to keep them from darkening. Lower the Secchi disc into the water on the shaded side of the boat.
1,
Count the depth
2,
marks as they go below the surface
3,
of the water.
4,
Keep lowering the disc
5,
slowly until it completely
6,
disappears.
7, 7.5.
Note the depth. Slowly pull the disc up until it reappears. Round to the nearest half foot, and that's your Secchi disc reading. Record the time on the data sheet. Remember, your Secchi disc needs to lower straight down into the water. If it's windy and your Secchi disc cord is slanting, you'll need to lower a second anchor. And that's it! You're all done with your water sample collection and Secchi disc transparency reading. Thanks for doing your part to monitor your lake. See the next video on proper procedures for transport of your samples to the lab. See you at the lakes!